through the trees. Whoa! The monkeys on the bus go chatter, chatter, chatter. Chatter, 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 chatter. The monkeys on the bus go chatter, chatter, chatter through the trees. Whoa! The lions on the bus go roar, roar, roar. Roar, 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 roar. The lions on the bus go roar, roar, roar. Deep in the jungle. Whoa! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Through the jungle they go round and round, all through the trees. Whoa! The parrots on the bus go squawk, squawk, squawk. Squawk, 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 squawk. The parrots on the bus go squawk, 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 flying through the air. Whoa! Where the snakes on the bus go hiss, hiss, hiss. Hiss, 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 hiss. The snakes on the bus go hiss, 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 slithering on the ground. Whoa! The driver on the bus says, hold on tight, hold on tight. Hold on tight, the driver on the bus says, hold on tight through the bumpy ride. Let the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Through the jungle they go round and round, adventuring with me. One little chick found a shiny bug, chirped so loud gave it a hug. Mama hen clucked, come back here, but the chick just wiggled and danced with cheer. 5 little chicks went out to play, cheeping and chirping along the way. Mama hen called, stay in sight, but they flapped their wings and took to flight. 2 little chicks found a muddy pool, splashed around feeling super cool. Mama hen clucked, stay out of the muck, but they giggled and played without giving up. Cheep, 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 what a noisy crew, jumping and running, oh what to do. Mama hen sighed, they're so much fun, but catching these chicks is a race to run. 3 little chicks saw a butterfly, chased it around, oh how they try. Mama hen clucked, don't go too far, but they ran in circles under the stars. 5 little chicks went out to play, cheeping and chirping along the way. Mama hen called, stay in sight, but they flapped their wings and took to flight. 4 little chicks found a pile of hay, jumped and rolled in their silly way. Mama hen clucked, get down from there, but they popped up straw flying everywhere. 5 little chicks back home they ran, hugged Mama hen and made a big plan. We'll play tomorrow, but tonight we'll rest. Being your chicks is the very best. 5 little chicks went out to play, now they're home, it's the end of the day. Cheep, 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 oh what fun. 5 little chicks, the cutest ones.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Wool so soft, wool so bright, making cozy clothes all through the night. Baa Baa Black Sheep, so kind and true, thank you for the wool you gave us too. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any more? Yes sir, plenty in store. 1 for the farmer, 1 for the town, and 1 for the little girl who wears a crown. Wool so soft, wool so bright, making cozy clothes all through the night. Baa Baa Black Sheep, so kind and true, thank Thank you for the wool you gave us too. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you enough? Yes sir, I've got lots of fluff. One for the sweater, one for the hat, and one for the lawn, for the blanket where we all sat. Wool so soft, wool so bright, making cozy clothes all through the night. Baa Baa Black Sheep, so kind and true. Thank you for the wool you gave us too.
Bring ting ice cream trucks on the way, bringing treats to make your day. Scoop, scoop, what will you choose? Chocolate, vanilla, or a fruity snooze? Rolls by with a happy tune, colorful cones and popsicles too. Children running, smiles so bright, picking their treats, what a fruity snooze. Here's a cone with sprinkles on top, or a sundae that just won't stop. Candy, chocolate, or whipped cream, dreamy sweet like in a dream. The bell rings loud as the truck rolls near. Hurry up kids, your favorites here. Lick and munch, with joy we sing, savoring every bite in spring. Strawberry swirl and mint so green, tasting the best ice cream you've ever seen. Sundae stacked high with cherries on top, taking a bite, we just can't stop. Chocolate fudge and cookies galore, take a bite and ask for more. Ice cream sandwiches so cool, every treat is a tasty jewel. Gummy bears on a sundae tower, sprinkles and syrup, what a power. Snow cones, milkshakes, and frozen bars, sweet treats, we're eating like stars. Ring ding, the ice cream truck's on the way, bringing treats to make your day. Scoop, scoop, what will you choose? Chocolate, vanilla, or a fruity snooze? Turn little Bo Peep lost her sheep, and they ran so wild. Oh my! Jumping and twirling, baying and whirling, dancing under the sky. Bo Peep went out to search her flock, but found them sliding down a rock. One did flips, the other made quips, and a third played tricks with her walking stick. Little Bo Peep lost her sheep, and they ran so wild. Oh my! Jumping and twirling, baying and whirling, dancing under the sky. She saw her sheep at the candy shop, eating gumdrops and lollipops. They juggled sweets, then spun on their feet, turning Bo Peep's day into a treat. They climbed a tree, sang ba ba ba, then rode a bike and drove a car. Bo Peep just laughed, oh what a day, my silly sheep have gone astray. She caught her sheep by the old red barn, playing guitars and a sheep alarm. They strummed a tune beneath the moon, turning her search into a cartoon. Way, little Bo Peep lost her sheep, and they ran so wild, oh my, oh my. Jumping and twirling, baying and whirling, dancing under the sky. Now Bo Peep sheep are back in their pen, but they promised they'd go crazy again. They'll sing and play on another day. Bo Peep loves her sheep, come what may. Little Bo Peep loves her sheep, even when they go astray. Laughing and cheering, dancing and banging, they'll have more fun today.